Hi friend, this is Krishna here. Last video I have conclusion. I done the conclusion through the example extrude boss base, revolve boss base, shift boss base, lofted boss base, and extruded cut. Now we'll continue this in this video. Boundary boss base and hole wizard. So first of all, let me choose the plane. I'll choose the top plane. Sketch. Make the two plane. Make the two plane. So better to make the two plane. So select this top plane, plane 1, and give it distance. We can give it 100. Okay. Now see, just rotate. Sorry. Now just rotate this plane. Now choose the top plane. Sketch and make one rectangle, and you can give a dimension. Suppose all are this plane, this plane, this line, this line. I'll give a equal. Now you can give a dimension 70. Now I given 70 mm this length. So this I given the relation this line and this line equal relation. So all four lengths are equal. So this is a square which is the length is 70 mm. Now just rotate this plane. Now select the plane 1. Normal. Now you can make one pentagon here like this. Okay, close the sketch. Now just rotate this plane. Sorry, close this. Now select this plane, sketch, normal, make a pentagon, give a dimension 30. Okay, close the sketch. Now just rotate. Now see, we have a two plane. In the two plane we have given a sketch. In the plane top plane I given a square rectangle, and plane 1 I given pentagon. Now just hide this plane. Now you just go to the feature. Now select the boundary boss base. Select this plane and select this sketch and select this sketch. Now see, this is your boundary boss base, and if you will rotate this, so it will become shape will become like this. So if you will give a like this, or else we can give a normal to the profile. Here also you can give a normal to the profile, and now you just rotate, and by free hand you can change the shape. Again you just rotate like this. Now what I have to do, now see here, this is the flip direction. If you increase the value, so the shape will be changed like this. So this is called boundary boss base, and even you can give an angle and you can rotate. Suppose I'll give it 30 degree, so it will be rotate turn 30 degree angle. Okay, I have one more example, boundary base, which is the you can give a on choice path. If I'll make one path here like this, plane 1 to plane 2 become a become a circular arc, then this body will be you can select first plane feature and second plane, then in second direction you have to choose this arc, then the curve will be become like this. So that is called second direction of boundary boss base. So let me choose another part. So let me choose the top plane. Let me make one circle here. Okay, now you make one plane of a top plane, and distance you can give 100. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal, and make one square rectangle like this. Okay, sketch, exit the sketch. Now just rotate. Now see, now what I have to do, just hide this plane. Now you can choose the front plane or right plane. I'll choose the right plane, or else you can choose the front plane, anything, because I want to make one path here. So you can choose the right plane, front plane, normal, and make one spline line, or else you can give a simple line. I'll give a simple line. Now just rotate. See, this is our path. So now you go to the close this sketch, go to the feature, select the boundary boss base. Same process earlier which I have what I have done. Select this plane 1, select this sketch 2. Again you can change this rotation like this, and if you want to give a normal, you can give a normal like this. Now in below I have direction 2. If you will choose this, select this, if you will select this path or this line, so this body will be changed like this. See, so this is called a boundary boss base, through the passing through the path. So this is called boundary boss base. I think you guys have understand right now. Now we will go to the next feature, hole wizard. Suppose I want to make a screw hole here, so you can choose this hole wizard and select the type of hole. Go to the type, and I'll if you select this and go down, select the standard ISO, type helix screw, size you can give a M5, fit normal, Okay, now select this position, 3D sketch, select this plane, this plane, this plane, this plane, this plane, and this plane. Now click OK. Now see, now we have done whole wizard. This is called whole wizard. This is temporary whole wizard. So this is called whole wizard. If you'll go to the revolve cut, we'll go to the next video. Okay, thank you.